In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Business Profile address to new one. If your business has moved, it's important to update your Google Business Profile correctly so customers can still find you without confusion. The good news is that this process is fairly simple, but there are a few important details that can help everything go more smoothly. Before you make the change inside Google, start by updating your new address everywhere else online first. Make sure your official website shows the new location, and also update your social media pages and any major business directories you use. This matters because Google often checks other online sources when reviewing profile changes, especially for a business location update. Having matching information across the web can improve your chances of getting approved without delays. Once that's done, log into the Google account that manages your business profile. From there, go to Google Search and search for your business name. When your business profile appears, click Edit Profile, then open Business Information. Inside that section, go to the Location tab and click the Edit icon. Now remove the old address and enter your new one carefully. Take your time here and make sure the formatting is accurate, because even small mistakes can create confusion during review. If Google Maps doesn't recognize the address perfectly, you may be asked to adjust the map manually. In that case, drag the red map pin and place it as precisely as possible on your new building location. This step is especially helpful if your business is in a newer development, shared complex, or harder to find spot. After that, click Apply or Save to submit the change. At this point, your update may not go live immediately, and that's completely normal. In many cases, Google will ask you to verify the new location before publishing the updated address. If that happens, look for a message in your profile dashboard that says verification required. Click Get Verified and follow the prompts. Google often sends a postcard with a 5-digit verification code to the new business address. This usually takes up to 5 business days, so be prepared to wait a little. When the postcard arrives, sign back into your business profile, enter the verification code, and submit it. Once Google accepts the code, your new address should become active on your profile. One final tip: while you're waiting for verification, keep checking your dashboard for updates or additional instructions. Staying on top of that process can help you avoid delays and make sure your customers see the right location as soon as possible. And that's how to change your Google Business Profile address to your new one.